Hey there everybody, welcome to my channel on do-it-yourself projects and home product reviews. Be sure to subscribe right now if you're interested in saving time and money. That is my goal with this channel. So in this video we're going to be taking a look at how we can clean windows properly. I think we've all kind of been there. You take the window washer, the Windex, and a paper towel, and you get this, right? How frustrating is that? So hopefully we can solve this problem and teach you how you can get a window looking like this, streak-free and beautiful. So the problem here when you start out grabbing the bottle of Windex and paper towel is that you're just smearing around the dirt and whatnot. So what we need to do first is clean off all the dirt. So we're going to grab ourselves a squeegee. Yes, a squeegee, not unlike one that you would clean your car window with. I will put a link in the description below. You could also run down to your hardware store and pick one of these up. I like the one with the extra long handle. Allows you for that extra reach. But essentially we're taking some Dawn soap and water, and we're just using the squishy brush, the soft sponge side, and we'll be scrubbing and getting all that dirt, grime, and grease off of there before we start with the next step. So you can see here I've got most of the dirt and grime removed, and then we can grab our bottle of Windex. So that's a pretty key step. Clean the windows first before you grab the Windex. Once things are clean, you can grab that bottle of glass cleaner and just give it a good spray. You don't need to scrub this time since you've already done that, so we'll just use the squeegee side, and we will with each pass or every two passes, we'll be wiping down the blade so as to minimize buildup of the liquid, getting things like this. And you'll inevitably have some what I call stains, which is just glass cleaner that hasn't been able to evaporate and dry. So in that case, you just take a paper towel and some glass cleaner and just kind of rub that, rub that free, and it should shine right up for you. So that's the trick here. Obviously you want to minimize the number of passes with your squeegee, keep that squeegee dry, and you should have something like this in the end. And that's about it. Easy do-it-yourself job. Hopefully this video has been helpful. As I mentioned before, be sure to subscribe if you're interested in getting more videos hot off the press, saving you time and money. Thanks for being with me.